Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So again guys, today we're going to do unboxing the BOYA-AP1. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so I have here again BOYA-AP1, and again this is the wireless, a true wireless stereo earbuds from BOYA. So but again guys, we're gonna do unboxing here, but before that, this BOYA, it's a brand new product from BOYA. Easy switch between single, double air mode. And it also comes with 6 hours battery life, a total of 22 hours with charging the case. So okay, so we're gonna start ripping up the plastic and we'll see. I'm so excited ripping up plastics on like this. Nice one. I like it. Okay, so maybe up to there or whatever. So okay, so all we have to do is to slide to open, and again I'll just do it that way. So okay, so wow, so it comes with the manual. And I got the manual here. And then what's in the manual is they have a manual of true wireless earbuds. I got lots to read, but I have no time to do reading on that one. And they have here a, I think it's a warranty of the warranty card. That's right, it's a warranty card. So, but I think this one is a 1-year warranty by the manufacturing of BOYA. And here's the earbuds, and I don't know, here's some instructions here how to answer the call. I think it's just tap. Okay. Ta-da! So here we go. Nice. It's so small. Look at that. It's so small, like 2.5 inches by maybe 1.25 inches. Wow. This is too small. Nice one. Okay, but before that, this one come out. And then I got here the what's in the box. Oh, it's a foam. I thought it's a box. I thought it's a carton kind of, but it's a foam. Nice one. I like the way they do some packaging here. I love it. And what's in here is, oh, okay. I'll just put this beside. So what's in here, guys, is the extra. I think this is the extra. For your ears, the comfortability, and then it comes with the USB to micro USB. Is it a micro? It comes with a pouch. Nice. Look at that. Good. Oh, I'm so excited to open it. Okay, I'm gonna open now. Nice. Nice one, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I hope there's a battery here so I can start listening some music. Where's my phone? Nice case. Beautiful case, guys. Look at that. And then look at the earbuds. Wow. There's an indicator, left and right indicator for each earbuds. And yeah, look at that. I don't know why it's on. I didn't turn it on yet. Come on. But why? Okay. So I think I have to, so now I have to turn on my Bluetooth. I hope it will be connected right away. It is it's already here on my phone. There you go. And I'm gonna try to put this on my ear. Feels like a voice canceling. I can't hear anything in here, but again, I'm gonna go on YouTube, and I'm gonna go on music, and we'll see. Wow. 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 That was so loud. Wow, it's so powerful. Gosh, I love it. Can you hear that? So loud, and I can't hear anything. There's voice canceling. It just fit on my ears. Wow, this is an amazing product. Wow, I love this one, guys. Honestly, just an honest review for you guys. This is an awesome earbuds. I can't hear anything. The voice cancelling is so perfect. It's so fit in your ears, and you can hear anything. I can hear anything. Wow. Wow, I love it. I love it. So, but again, if you're gonna tap one more time, it will go answer, preview, tap, triple tap. If you go volume, you just long press right earbuds. So nice one, guys. I really like it. You know, they have a power. You just tap, whatever is that, you know, you just tap one more time, tap twice if you want to forward, or it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So one thing I like this one here, because it's, you know, you just tap it and then it will play. Or if you want higher or lower the volume, you just click the right or the left and the right. If you want to go up, you just go on the left. If you want to lower the volume, you just go on the right. You just tap it one more time. Just tap it a little bit longer of 1.5 seconds. And then if you're going to call or hang up the phone, all you have to do is to tap one time. Bang, that's it. I love the case. It's so small, and it's noise cancelling, and it's automatic charging right now. I can recommend the BOYA, the BY-AP1. So there you go, guys. So final thing, I'm done, and I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. The quality of the sound is so perfect. The fitting on my ears is so perfect. Wow, what a great job, BOYA. BOYA. Okay, so but again, guys, if you have any question, suggestion, please just comment below. And you can also share these videos to people that likes, or people that wants an earbuds like this. It's an awesome, and I'm gonna put their link where you can buy this product online, and just click and then click and then click, buy it. This is perfect. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless everyone.